In this video, we listed the 5 best mini drones that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a beginner-friendly drone designed for adults, offering a lightweight and portable solution for capturing stunning aerial footage. Weighing less than 249 grams, it requires no FAA registration for recreational use, making it an accessible option for new drone enthusiasts. The drone features a robust 10 km transmission range powered by DJI OcuSync technology, ensuring reliable connectivity and enhanced anti-interference capabilities. With a maximum flight time of 31 minutes and the option to extend this to 93 minutes with additional batteries, users can explore and create without interruption. The Mini 2 SE is equipped with a 2.7K video capture resolution and a 12MP still resolution, allowing for high-quality imaging. Its advanced wind resistance can handle gusts up to 38 km per hour, while the DJI Fly app provides easy-to-use templates for automated shooting, making it simple to produce professional-level videos. The drone also includes a one-button return feature for added safety, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. Number 2. FIMI X8 Mini V2 Drone. The FIMI X8 Mini V2 is a highly versatile drone designed for adults, featuring an ultralight and foldable design that weighs just 245 grams, making it easy to transport and fly in various locations. It boasts impressive video capture capabilities, offering resolutions up to 4K at 30 frames per second and 12MP still images, enhanced by a 2.5-inch stacked CMOS sensor for improved low-light performance. The drone supports a maximum video transmission distance of 9 km thanks to its advanced third-generation TDMA image transmission system, ensuring stable and smooth operation. With a flight time of up to 31 minutes powered by an intelligent battery management system, the X8 Mini V2 is equipped with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for stable recording, even in windy conditions, and features a 4-star multi-mode GPS for precise positioning. Ideal for beginners, this drone combines user-friendly controls with advanced features, making it suitable for capturing stunning aerial footage in various environments. Number 3. Ryze Tech Tello. The DJI Tello is a lightweight, beginner-friendly drone designed for kids and aspiring aerial photographers. It features a high-quality image processor that enables users to capture stunning 5MP photos and HD 720p videos with ease, thanks to its Ease Edge Shots functionality that simplifies video recording. With a maximum flight time of 13 minutes, the Tello is equipped with 2 antennas for stable video transmission and a high-capacity battery for extended use. Its advanced flight controller, powered by DJI, allows users to perform impressive tricks, making flying both fun and accessible. The Tello package includes the drone, propellers, propeller guards, a battery, a micro USB cable, and a propeller removal tool, ensuring that users have everything they need to start their aerial adventures. Number 4. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a cutting-edge drone designed for adult users, featuring an array of advanced capabilities that enhance the flying experience. Weighing under 249 grams, it requires no registration, making it a convenient choice for travelers. This drone excels in capturing stunning 4K HDR videos at 60 frames per second, along with impressive 48MP still images, allowing users to share high-quality footage effortlessly. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology ensures enhanced safety by detecting obstacles in all directions, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. With extended battery life, users can enjoy longer flights without the worry of running out of power. The Mini 4 Pro also boasts real-time 20 km FHD video transmission, providing immersive aerial views, and features customizable intelligent tracking through ActiveTrack 360 degrees, facilitating seamless video capture. Included components enhance the user experience, making it a comprehensive package for aerial photography enthusiasts. Number 5. Holy Stone HS-190 Drone. The Holy Stone HS190 Blue is a compact and user-friendly drone designed specifically for kids and beginners, weighing only 38 grams and featuring a foldable design for easy portability. It offers a range of exciting functions, including one-click takeoff, landing, 360-degree flips, and 3 adjustable speed modes, low, medium, high, to accommodate varying skill levels. The drone is equipped with safety features such as propeller guards and an emergency stop function, ensuring a secure flying experience. With an altitude hold feature for stable hovering and a headless mode for easier navigation, the HS190 Blue provides a fun and accessible introduction to drone flying. Its small size makes it ideal for indoor and outdoor use, making it a perfect gift for children and beginners looking to explore the world of drones.